it looked like that started with your commitment on the defensive end, especially with the quality help Luis and Adrian provided. What did your team's defensive approach and mindset today tell you about the progress your team is making?
Yeah, ito siguro isa sa mga pinakamasakang laro namin, but we found ways in the end game to carve out a win. But first half, Aaron was 2 out of 10. So masama talaga yung umpisa niya. Nakabawi lang siya bandang second half na. And our free throws is really bad. We missed 14 free throws. Yung dalawang huli namin could have won us the game already, pero ang naipanalo namin free throws din, buti nag-mintis din yung kay Bong Quinto. So it's not a really nice game to watch, low scoring, maraming mga messy plays, but ang importante, na-limit namin sila sa 36% field goal shooting. That's way below, I think, their usual average. 36% lang total field goal nila. So it became a defensive game, and just finding ways to win. Yung last game namin, parang ganito rin. Importante manalo lang, importante makahanap ka lang ng paraan. Medyo kinabahan kami dun sa nangyari kay Adrian. Again, it's Cliff Hodge. Dami ng ganong insidente ni Cliff Hodge. He's the dirtiest player in the league, I think, and dapat siguro tignan ng liga yan. He's a danger to the other players in the game. So his record speaks for itself.
Thank you, Coach. We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Coach, you mentioned medyo bad game kayo, but Adrian made some key plays as well in the end game. Although nag-turnover din siya prior to that game yung pass and basket by Full.
Wala talagang perfect game, no? You have to take the positive with the negative. So ganun lang talaga. At maski yung huling foul, siya rin pumaul doon, no? So maraming mistakes, maraming pagkakamali, pero ang importante, kahit nagkamali ka, makahanap ka pa rin ng paraan makabawi, no? So yun lang, bumawi lang kami kahit nagkakamali kami.
Aaron, just to talk about that shot by yours and that pass by Adrian that led to the game-winning basket.
Yeah, we're really just trying to use the pick and roll. It was a rough first half for me, so I really wanted to come out and help my team out the second half and just get out of my head and just have the confidence to make these shots. So it was a great pass, and I was able to finish it.
Coach, really congratulations. Coach, na-distract ba yung team when a stray cat appeared inside the court during the waiting seconds of the game?
Hindi ko napansin hindi ko napansin, may stray cat pala doon, pero I will gladly give way to the stray cat. I love animals. Andyan ba? Ayun. May mga pusa rin kami, kaya sympathetic ako dyan sa mga pusa. Huwag lang yung mga anak ng pusa. Pusa, okay.
You think it was a lucky sign, Coach, dahil the game was tied at 83 during when the stray cat appeared?
Hindi ko nga napansin eh. Hindi ko napansin. Ayun. Akala ko sa game meron din eh. So, anything is lucky as long as you win. Lahat yan swerte. Pag natalo kami, yan naman ang malas. Nanalo eh. So, swerte.
Coach, sorry balik lang natin yung nangyari kay Adrian, no? What did you saw in that incident? Kasi Meralco was contesting din na hindi dapat foul yun dahil naman sa pack ni agency Hatch.
Sinaksak niya yung paa niya eh. No? Kaya nga tinawagan na unsportsmanlike foul. Eh. No? Maraming incidents na ganun na I think cause danger to the players. No? And it's always been it's been a lot of situations or incidents where Hutch is involved. So yun nga, tingin ko it's a danger to his fellow players.
Coach, after a great game of Adrian last Friday, medyo nag-struggle siya ngayon.
Normal yan, basketball to, no? Hindi lahat ng laro mo gaganda. We were looking to just spread out the responsibility. Deo maganda nilaro kanina, si Christian nag-contribute din, no? Si Kaylan may crucial 4-point shot, no? So all of those small things they contribute to a win, especially if it's just a carve out win. It's not really a dominating win. So even our last game was decided by one possession. But sa akin ito yung mga importanteng lessons na develop your character and your toughness. No? There's always something to learn from wins like this.
Aaron, congratulations. You mentioned your two-man team with Adrian. Some of those passes were kind of in tight spaces. What makes it work for you guys that even with the defense tightening up, you were able to take this?
Yeah, I mean, it's something we're working on. I mean, teams are going to try to take that away, so there's really just a split second. You can try to get the ball there. Most of the time it works, sometimes it doesn't, but, when they see me, I try to catch it and make the right play.
Guys, about 4 in a row, how can you guys pick this up as we're now in the second round of the group stage?
Yeah, just keep, like Coach said, just focusing on our defense and rebounding. That's what's been working. That's what changed from the first 2 losses. We don't really have a problem scoring. So that's just something we really try to focus on, is take pride in our defense, and it's helped us win these past 2 close games.
Coach, Luis Villegas also played good game both on offense and defense. Can you just talk about this?
Yeah, it's Canada. I said this before and I'll say it again. Teams are looking to hunt him on the mismatch. They think it's a mismatch, but we know it's not a mismatch. He can stay in front of those quick guards. That's not a mismatch with Luis. They can keep trying, but we will confidently switch with Luis.
That ends our post-game press conference. Thank you everyone. Congratulations, Coach Yang.